Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fourth numerical of sedimentation. Question will be given as what will be the length of the sedimentation tank? Here the unknown is length of the sedimentation tank. We need to calculate the length of the sedimentation tank. If discharge is 70 mld, discharge is given as 70 mld and settling is done for a particle of diameter 0.1 mm. It means that the diameter of particle is also given, which will be equals to 0.1 mm. Now specific gravity is given as 2.5, kinematic viscosity is given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second. Now the most important data which is given in the question is if B is equals to L by 3 and all particles are desired to be removed, it means that the efficiency is what? The efficiency is 100%. Okay. Now, if the efficiency is 100%, we need to find out the length of the sedimentation tank. Okay. We will start the solution of this numerical by just writing all the given quantities. Okay. Now, we can start the solution by just writing the given quantities. Now, discharge is given as 70 mld. Okay, 70 mld. Now we need to convert this 70 mld into meter cube per second. Okay, so we just convert this value into meter cube per second. It will be equals to 70 into 10 to the power 3 meter cube per day. Now we need to convert this value from meter cube per day to meter cube per second. So we just multiply it with 24 into 60 into 60, and we had converted the value from liter per day to meter cube per second. What will be the value? That it will be equals to 70 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 24 divided by 3600. It will be equivalent to 0.810 meter cube per second. Okay, that is the discharge which is given in the question. Now what is given? Settling is done for a particle of diameter 0.1 mm. It means that diameter is given as 0.1 mm. We need to convert this mm into meter, so it will be equals to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now what is given? Specific gravity is given as 2.5 and kinematic viscosity is given as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second. Now we need to convert this value from centimeter square per second to meter square per second, so it will be equivalent to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second. Okay, now what is given here? B is equals to L by 3. Here B is equals to L by 3 and efficiency is 100%. Now what do you mean by efficiency 100%? Efficiency will be written as Vs upon V naught into 100. Now if efficiency is 100%, what will happen? Vs will be equivalent to V naught. Now we had all the data to calculate the Vs, so we just write Vs as GD square upon 18 nu into G minus 1. Now G will be equals to 9.81, diameter here given as 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter whole square into 2.5 minus 1 upon 18 nu, 18 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what will be the value of the settling velocity from here? The settling velocity will be equals to 9.81 into 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into 1.5 into 9.81 divided by 18 divided by 2 divided by 10 to the power minus 6. It will be equals to 4.0875 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. Okay, that will be the settling velocity. Now settling velocity will be equivalent to overflow rate or the loading rate. So V naught will be equals to 4.0875 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now V naught will be equals to discharge upon surface area. So we had the value of discharge, so we just calculate from here the surface area, which will be equals to discharge upon V naught, and discharge will be given as 0.810 meter cube per second divided by 4.0875 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we just solve this value, that is 0.810 divided by 4.0875 into 10 to the power minus 3. We will get the answer in just a minute. This is in meter per second. Okay, so from meter per second cancel out and the answer will comes in meter square. So surface area will be equals to 198.16 meter square. Okay, now surface area will be equals to length into width. So we just write here as length into width equals to 198.165. Now width will be equals to L by 3 from here. So we just write it as L into L by 3 equals to 198.165. So after solving this equation, that is 198.165 into 3, and we taking the under root of this value, the answer will be coming out as 24.38 meter, which will be equals to 24.4 meter. That will be the length of the sedimentation tank for this much of discharge and for 100% efficiency. The length will be equals to 24.4 meter. Okay, that is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.